Can insect farming reduce hunger in developing countries? Roughly 1 out of 9 people don't have enough food to lead a healthy, active lifestyle. 1 out of 4 of the world's children are stunted. In developing countries, the proportion can rise to 1 in 3. Poor nutrition causes nearly half of deaths in children under the age of 5. Sustainable solutions are a necessity when dealing with these global challenges. 9 out of 10 projects that are not successfully implemented in developing countries fail due to lack of co-creation. If the NGO co-creates with the locals, the success rate of the project is much higher because the locals feel ownership of the project. This is a cricket. Cricket can be produced with few resources, have high nutritional level, and a short life cycle which results in quick, sustainable, healthy food. But wait, could we use insects to prevent hunger? Could we reduce malnutrition and undernourishment by feeding people insects? Even though insects are not a part of our Western diet, it is considered a delicacy in some parts of the world. Let's take a look at Cambodia. This is Quang. He's 11 years old and he lives in a poor region of Cambodia. His food sources are unstable and they often don't provide him with the nutrition he needs, like protein, zinc or vitamin A. To add to the daily portion of rice, Quang is sometimes out catching insects in the middle of the night. He captures them with his hands and he brings them to school the next day as lunch. He is tired from the lack of sleep, but he's very happy that he gets to eat more than just rice today. To help Quang get a better living situation, foreign aid from the NGO Innoate could be a solution. If Quang and Innoate work together, they can co-create a farming solution that they can build together to fit the needs of both Quang and his family. With a farming solution, Quang gets to sleep at night and have a reliable food source all year round. Innoate has not made any projects in Cambodia before or worked with insects. The NGO is therefore provided with info about insect farming, info about the context Siem Reap, Cambodia, info about the most common insects in the area, an example of a cricket farm, and the necessary co-creation material. If the proof of concept is successful, it can be implemented to other parts of Cambodia, other parts of Asia, and potentially all over the world. Together we can prevent hunger in a sustainable way. Looking at the UN goals for 2030, this solution can get us closer to solving potentially 5 of the global goals, zero hunger having the biggest potential.